didn't miss a start. You missed a start. Totally wasn't recording. Well, I didn't miss it. I just wasn't recording. It's alright though. It's alright though. Look, P4. Corey LaJoy. Well, P5. Oh no, P4. Garcia, P7. Oh! 41 in the wall. Connor Jones, I saw. The 16, Christian Eckes.
See some damage on the right front there. Looks like a tire mark where some contact was made. I don't think there's any other heavy damage to that truck. As you see, the 41 truck.
I want Betty Curry back, not this fucker.
Connor, who we saw making that large contact into the turn 4 wall, Mikey, and man,
I think it's fucking killed. Jeez, piss.
You know that it's going to be difficult to keep it off the wall and some big impacts.
Sit back at the moment.
Well, Christopher Jr. got into him. And then 41 is around. Eckes gets a shot from Jack Wood. Jack Wood's truck's destroyed. Okay, they literally just had an angle of the fucking impact and they cut away from it to go to after the crash. Really? We're literally just on this angle. Oh, we just contact, and then, buddy, we literally have the replay of the crash. Why are we cutting away from it? Why are we cutting away from it? We have it. We were just looking at it, and they're like, blue ball.